Hi, I'm making this because I want to talk about two things. One, please stop judging me because of my country origin. I know I'm from Germany, I know all that. Adolf Hitler, the evil man, is from Austria, not Germany. He may have come over here to be a very short evil man with a strange mustache, but he's not from here. I'm not Nazi. I'm not anything. I'm Jewish myself. And my parents moved to, I think it was like some random country, to escape from Germany, to not be convicted of being Jewish. And the second thing is Rebecca Black. A lot of people think she's amazing now because of her new videos, how she's apparently being strong, but I don't think so. I think she's making that video because she wanted to show people that I don't know that she's not an idiot little person, but I don't care about her. And I think anyone whose parents pretty much make them do stuff shouldn't be on YouTube. So my final conclusion is that one, please don't judge people because of who they are, like what they look like, where they're from, or anything. And two, if you're not talented, don't say you are. If you're not something, don't say you're that. If you're not a certain type of person, don't act like that. Be yourself. Don't be like someone else. Don't be like someone because they say you should be. And personally, I think anyone who's under the age of 18 and famous is being influenced greatly by their parents and peers, and that's why they're famous. So